Hi everybody, it's Dr. Hydro here. So this morning I noticed that this big fat Black Krim tomato that I've been eyeballing for a month is really soft, and it like turned this color of purplish reddish literally in the past 2 days, kind of overnight even. This is my very first Black Krim hydroponically grown tomato. I've grown it in a mixture of coco coir and perlite. I did add a layer of mulch on top of this, the medium, to try to do some pest prevention. It didn't really help, but I have been on top of this plant every single day, pretty much every hour, looking at it, admiring it, inspecting it. And now I get to try this beautiful Black Krim hydroponically grown tomato. I've been pHing the water at between 6 and 6.5. In the earlier stages of growth, I had it around 5.8. And then I adjusted it more so it would absorb more of those PK nutrients that it needs to bloom. So now I'm going to try it, and I'm going to make my family try it, and I'm hoping for a really big reaction from them, because I put so much of my time into this and my love and my heart. So let's see what they say, and you can actually watch me pluck this right off the plant. Alright, so I'm actually going to pull it off right now. It is very, ooh, this is heavy. I've been so scared to touch it that I've just been kind of squeezing it a little bit. Wow, that's really funny. Look at that. I've never seen it. I mean, yeah, it's not store perfect, but this looks really cool. Alright, let's see how much this weighs out at. Ooh, 8.1 ounces. I'm just so excited for my family to try this. They're gonna be like, oh my god, this tastes so good, it's so different, so unique. So I'm gonna cut it up now and make them try it. Alright, here we go. That's like butter. Look at that. Alright, here we go. See what they think.
I want them.
Alright, here's the tomato we've been working on so hard. Here we go.
It's like a regular tomato. Other than that, it's
just like a regular tomato.
Yes. Yes.
Good. I love it, Mommy. I love it.
Really juicy.
Do I have another one?
Definitely got a stronger taste than a regular tomato. It's kind of tart. I don't know, it's good. And my kid wants another one. Alright everybody, thank you for watching me pluck my very first hydroponically grown Black Krim tomato off of the plant. And I want to thank my family, Alex, and Isabel, for taste testing this with me. And my husband, Chris. Thank you very much. Like and subscribe.